Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick video. I'm going to do a review of this synthetic paintbrushes set. It was sent to me by Artify, Art Supplies. I have literally been scouting for a new set just a few days before. So when Artify sent me a message to see if I was interested in trying them, of course I said yes. I feel like the universe had aligned perfectly. I can't wait to open it. Let's do this. My first impression is excellent. I'm loving the nice and neat design right from the start. They are neatly organized in this canvas roll. The set includes 24 synthetic brushes, favorite with a palette knife. And the best part is that they are suitable for both acrylics and oils. Now let's put these brushes to the test. I am prepping this canvas for a piece that I've been itching to create, and you guessed it, I'll be using my brand new Artify brushes. The brushes impressed me right away with their paint holding capacity and exceptional bristle quality, making painting effortless. Plus, they are incredibly easy to clean, maintaining their softness without any hassle. Only $33.89. Overall, I'm super thrilled with my new Artify brush set. It's a game changer for my art projects. A big thank you to Artify for sending me this fantastic set. Check out the link in my description if you're in need of new brushes. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.